Hello, my fellow traders. Will here over to XAUUSD.com. First, a big welcome to the video. So it's that time again, coming to the start of a new trading week. And always, this video is going to show you one of my top setups for the week ahead. And before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button now to stay up to date with all my latest videos and trade updates that I send weekly onto the channel. You can also head over to the Facebook group and join the free Facebook group. Okay, that is the FXCH Professional Forex Signal and Educational Group. Okay, so looks like it's going to be a big week ahead in the Forex markets. And the trade I'm going to give you this week for free is on the British pound, Japanese yen. Okay, and we're looking to sell this. And the reason being, you can see we had a nice rally last week. I was actually looking to buy this last week, but it didn't actually come into my entry, unfortunately, and it did rally from, okay, see last week it actually rallied. It was getting a reaction from this level here. Okay, see we had a reaction before here, and here the weekly area is still strong. If you zoom into the daily, you can head over and you can see the reason we got that reaction was because of this daily zone inside that weekly. Okay, nice reaction. I was looking to buy that last week at 125 again, but it didn't actually go down that far. Okay, so this week I'm looking to sell this, and we're just going to go over the trade setup now. So just draw my zones, current zones on the daily. See this daily zone that was created, that's moving up. Possible new buying area on it, but again I'm looking to sell this based on, let's see, this weekly area here. Okay, we've got two weekly areas there, one at the top here and one in the middle. Okay, this is the zone here. Okay, so weekly, I'm not just going to blindly enter that on weekly. I want to zoom into the daily charts and see if there's a better entry zone inside that. And you can see this is kind of the start of the move here. So this trade, I'm looking to, okay, so I'm looking to sell this, and I'm looking to go a bit higher up into this. So I'll just zoom in again to the 4 hour, see if there's a better entry. Okay, and this is kind of where I'm looking to enter here, 136,800. Okay, so I'm looking to sell this 136,800. Stop loss is going to be at 138, and take profit is going to be 129.5. Okay, this daily zone here, so I'm expecting this to bump up. Okay, so that's the trade. We'll just put that in the thing right here. So sell GBPJPY at 136.8. Stop loss at 138. Take profit at 129.5. Okay, so if you do understand the British pound yen, it does tend to move pretty quickly. Got a bit to go, a couple of hundred pips to go to our entry early next week, which I expect maybe happen on Monday or Tuesday. But when this pair moves, it moves. And again, current market conditions, we're going to get the volatility at higher time frame zones. So I'm expecting to smack into this and then drop down before heading back up north. So the trade is British pound yen. It's a sell. Remember, trade at your own risk. Stay disciplined. And if you have any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com. If you want the rest of my weekly signals, you can click the sign up button below and subscribe to the service, which has more or less banked over 10,000 pips since August last year, 2019, which is a pretty crazy amount of pips. You can see the results people get in the Facebook group and from my weekly videos. So you can click the link below, sign up. If not, hope you have a great week. Remember, take the trade, stay disciplined. Any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com.